Good afternoon. My name is Sean Simonian. I'm the founder of US Tax Guru accounting firm. And today I decided to put my very first YouTube video. I decided to leverage technology to market my services. And it's so true that they say you never stop learning, and sometimes it doesn't matter kind of who you're gonna learn from. As today, I watched my 7-year-old son Alec. He's really interested in garbage trucks, so he created a video of himself as he demonstrates garbage trucks, toy garbage trucks, to the world. And I thought to myself, I think today is the day that I'm gonna go on the internet and make a YouTube video. And you probably could tell that I didn't do as much uh, preparation for this, other than decided to do somewhat of a control of the lighting and the sound, and kind of think about what I'm going to talk about, which is going to be my background, how I work with clients, kind of give you a high level flavor of US Tax Guru, if you will, how we work with clients, what our clients like, and what we can deliver. And normally, for new clients, as I engage with the communications, I ask them this questions: Do you believe the banks, the Wall Street, and the government have your best interest in mind? And then a follow up is: Do you believe that our government will provide everything you will need in retirement? I mean, what impact will higher taxes and inflation have on your standards of living? The United States has a major budget and tax issues. People's standards of living are falling since most advisors don't deliver up to date tax and financial plans. Well, my organization, US Tax Guru, we are helping people by protecting against the upcoming tax, investment, and economic risks. Unlike other accountants, we're not just focused on the past. We do lower taxes today, but we customize tax plans to preserve and grow money for decades. And I believe there's a lot of people that also can take advantage of our holistic tax and financial review to hedge against taxes and inflation. And I'm aware that many people already have accountants or advisors, but we are a modern type accountant, and we're not just focused on the past. What do I mean by that? It's very common that a client goes out, sees the accountant, they have taxes to pay, and then they get recommended to put the IRA account. So they put away, 5 or 6 thousand and pay a little bit less taxes now. But what we do, we look at the whole picture, the current macroeconomics condition. Could that money be used today differently, even if you do pay taxes traditionally? And you can have an asset and kind of which will hedge against inflation. So my background, I have a various industry background. I've been kind of all over a couple of industries. I am very familiar with the mortgage and real estate industry, and I have insurance background, commercial insurance background, and in fact, I offer commercial insurance through my agency in that channel. But what I really bring to the table is not just my various industry background, but my research in the macro economics trends and my knowledge. And for example, a lot of my clients took advantage of the CARES Act to take some money out from the IRAs, and they didn't pay penalty, which they would normally do pay. But due to the CARES Act, they didn't pay the penalty. They invested in other investment, which is cash flowing them, giving them money. So I know I digressed from my introduction, my services, but that's what I mean when I talk about holistic approach. And we do have our minimum standards, and I'm reading off of our website right now, minimum standards and commitments. Okay, we're extremely proactive. US Tax Bureau is very proactive. We're exploring options beyond the past focused tax preparation in order to lower taxes. Convenience. For our existing clients, we're available beyond normal business hours, or when our business clients are less busy, we can talk to them, or leverage technology with them to help them at their time preferred. We are competitive on our revenues that we earn, and I stress revenues that we earn as opposed to fees we charge. And based on the complexity of the tax return, our fees are increased. We're not designed to be the cheapest accounting firm, and that's not in our objective to be. We are here to run a profitable business, but we are here also to deliver value, as I explained earlier. We do have transparency with our fees. We can come close with quotes, and so the client knows ahead of time what's going to cost. A lot of times clients don't disclose everything that they have. That would be a reason for our fees to be higher than what we initially thought. But we are transparent. We're accurate and efficient with our financial accounting and tax accounting, and I do have the ability and willingness to help explain things the way that customers, regardless of financial knowledge, can understand, instead of using just the tax industry, language, or words. Sometimes they don't make sense. Okay, and we stand behind our work to support clients, and what we're looking for is really somewhat complicated tax returns. Those are the type of clients that really can take advantage of our services and the value that we bring, like tax advice, for example. At the same time, I'm not saying that we're too good for the simple returns, or simple returns. Just expect that there's certain minimums that we have to meet, and same inflation that there is, it applies to us also. For example, our software costs went up, and speaking of software, we do use software as a tool to work the taxes, but we don't just rely on the software. So you're not hiring us to be your data entry guys. Okay, we use software, but we use our creativity and our mind to find the money to put you in a better financial position, that you can lower the taxes, not just now, but for decades to come. We do prepare business returns. We do prepare individual returns, LLC, S corp, C corp, and real estate investors benefit from us a lot, as that is a little bit of complicated tax topic. And we also we started to take care of dental practices, for their tax and financial accounting needs. I will put more videos throughout. Expect that the quality and the lighting and organization of the videos to to get better. But my goal is not necessarily to be the best YouTube video creator, but to simplify taxes and deliver value to you, so you can take information, but at the same time hire us when you need help with your own tax returns. Okay, so that's a disclaimer that I do not I promise to make the funniest videos of all the time, but I will try to bring my humor into this to keep it exciting. And that guy right there behind me is my son Alec. He just walked into the office, and he's the one who gave me, I guess, the he gave birth to this YouTube video idea, and I'm really thankful for him. He's a professional YouTuber. I guess he created his first garbage truck videos. With that said, visit our website, ustaxguru.com. There's a lot of information there. Some of the information that I covered, it's on there. Schedule an appointment. We'll do a quick interview using technology or a phone call, traditional way. And at the end of the day, we want to find out that we are your ideal accountant. We're suitable to you, and also our clients need to be suitable to us. Thank you. Enjoy your weekend. Today is Saturday, April 23rd. US Tax Guru. My name is Sean Simonian. Oh, yeah, and many want to know my license or my qualifications. I have a bachelor's degree in directly in accounting. I have the highest IRS issued tax license. I am an enrolled agent, and I'm also certified fraud examiner. And my specialty is taxes. I do not do financial statement audits or bookkeeping audits, but I am very aware of internal controls that I can deliver value to small businesses who want to establish internal controls. But tax and internal controls are my specialty. Visit the website for more information. And now that I started this video without much preparation, I'm actually excited. Looks like I may be enjoying this too much, as the intention of the video wasn't to get this long. But hopefully I didn't put you to sleep. Like I said, I'm not traditional accountant. As a big bad bean counter, I'll be happy to deliver excellent services to you, and you'll appreciate the revenues that you pay to your accountant. Thank you very much, and enjoy the weekend. It's time to really sign off. Take care. Bye bye.